Okay, so if you carry the 7, what does that give you?
I don't know, Mom. It doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense to me either. I cannot help you with this Common Core nonsense.
Tired of homework turning your house into a stress zone? Introducing Avi the Helper, the AI homework buddy every parent wishes they had in school. Avi is the friendly, floating robot tutor that never gets tired, never gets annoyed, and never says, "Go ask your other parent." Just snap a picture of the homework, upload it, and boom, Avi breaks it down step by step in kid-friendly or parent-friendly language. Yes, finally, someone can explain new math without you breaking into a sweat. Avi helps with math, reading, writing, ELA, vocabulary, spelling, all of it, with clear explanations and zero judgment. Plus, Avi actually tracks what your child is learning with progress snapshots and creates personalized study plans so your kid keeps improving week after week. Got more than one child? No problem. Avi organizes separate profiles for each one with their own goals, study plans, and progress reports. No mix-ups, no chaos, no, "Mom, this isn't mine." And the best part? Avi stays encouraging the entire time. No yelling, no tears, no late night Google searches. Just calm, confident learning. Anytime, anywhere. So, if homework time has been looking like a scene from a disaster movie, let Avi the Helper turn it into a smooth, stress-free win for you and your child. Avi the Helper, homework help made easy, fun, and finally peaceful.